Hello friends, welcome back to our Nagashri Arts YouTube channel. Today we are going to teach you how to easily transfer any of the motifs from Pratibimb transfer sheets by Brand Zero on any of the surfaces to make your object very beautiful, looks like beautiful. Today we are teaching how to convert a simple plain candle into a beautiful candle with a floral design. So we have many motifs like Ganpati, other florals, and every different designs are there. This is one more motif of Ganpati which is been transferred on the candle. So now I will teach you some tips and tricks on this. The simple tips which is very important in transferring the motifs on your object. See, for example, these objects whenever it's coming, there are two types of transfer can be done on this same sheet, and these are rough and tough sheets by Nagashri Arts. These don't come with any of the protective layer or something, so this is rough and tough. You can do anything. This is very user friendly. Even small children can use it. You can crumple it, anything, nothing will happen. So these are the motifs which you get it, and there are two types of transferring these motifs on your object. One is the same as shown in the image, and one is to make it as a mirror effect. So all these images, as you see, say for example, if this image is in this way, when you transfer it to an any of the object, it will become mirror of it, because you are dipping this object in the water and flipping it and then transferring it. So what happens, this image will come opposite to the direction shown in this one. It is just like a mirror effect.
So हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं कि उल्टा आपका इमेज आएगा,
आईने में जैसा दिखता है, बोलते हैं ना,
मिरर इमेज।
हाँ, मिरर इमेज ऐसा हो सकता है। ठीक है, तो मैक्सिमम कभी आपको प्लेसमेंट के लिए करना चाहते हो, आप सोचोगे कि you will be thinking you will get this kind of image when you transfer. So if you want to get the same kind of image on your product, then you want to transfer it in the forward way.
Wow.
Okay, I will teach you how to do the forward way, and if you want the other side like mirror effect, then you can simply dip and transfer it in the normal way which we have shown in our previous videos.
So this is just amazing. So our clients are getting lot of tips and tricks for free, and they do not need to enroll for any advanced class. This is just amazing.
See, now I'll just take one small motif of this Shubh Labh, which is in this sheet. It is been already given in a mirror. I will explain what is the difference. What I am saying you can understand here. See, this Shubh Labh, the motif which I have taken currently, it is in the mirror format. It's
right.
It's in ulta. Actually, when you see in mirror, this it will look like Shubh Labh. So, for example, I will show you this.
So we have to always do a fuzzy cutting.
Fuzzy cut. Don't forget to do fuzzy cutting. As much as nice fuzzy cut you do, your result outcome will be nice.
Wow.
Okay. So, and again, the wetting this transfer sheet is also an important process. It's not simply putting in the water and taking it out. This paper needs some time to process it. So you should not just dip in the water and remove it. At least wait for 15 to 20 seconds. So okay, now just after once it is soaked in water for 15-20 seconds, just take out the
element.
Take out the cutout element. See, this is as I shown, this was the mirror print. Okay, so now it is mirror. When I turn it around to place it on any object, then it will become the forward image, or which is
Wow.
it is so easy. If there is any air bubble, you can just wipe it out and remove it.
So you're not dabbing too much on the candle.
No need of dabbing too much. Actually, we have shown in the other video to have the cloth for the safer side, because many people, they don't have the complete knowledge. Maybe they are taking out too much of water. So we are saying to keep on cloth or sponge handy, so that excess of water can be dabbed. Okay, no need to remove completely. Don't dry it completely or press it too much hard. It will softly come out. Okay, and I want to show you one more technique. See, this was the print which has come like this one in the mirror format. So after transferring it, after dipping in water for 15 seconds and transferring it, it will become this straight image. This was the reverse image, and it is come in the straight format. Now I will show you one more image, one more technique. If you want, for example, somewhere you wanted the image like what it is been looking as only. Okay, since I told all the images, when you transfer it, it comes in the mirror format. Okay, so for example, let's take this paper where Shubh Labh is in the straight format.
Okay.
But if I transfer it on the object, it will come ulta like this.
Okay.
It will become mirror. So to troubleshoot this one, there is one more technique which can be done, done in this Pratibimb transfer sheet, which is the unique technique. You can slide the image and stick on it. I will show you that one.
Wow, that's
just
amazing.
wait for 15-20 more seconds. You will be able to master in that technique as well. So I am taking the fuzzy cut.
Okay.
Remember, in this format, in this image, the object is not in mirror format. It is in straight format. Now, see, now I have taken this Shubh Labh, which is normal image. It's not an mirror image. This is a normal image. Now we are going to transfer this normal image straight to our candle. So take this image, dip in the water for 15 seconds. Okay, let it get wet properly, because it takes some processing time. 10 to 15 seconds minimum it is required. Okay, seeing on your climate also, it may 5 or 10 seconds will vary. Now it's almost 15-20 seconds. Now I will take the image out. See, now this, if I am applying in the normal way, the image will become reverse of it. It will become mirror image. Now here I don't want the mirror image. I want to put in the straight format. So what I will do, you can just slide the image.
Shall I hold it for you?
No, it's okay. See, just slide the image, keep it here. Just wow. See, this is how. This is the another technique which Pratibimb transfer sheets provides you.
I think I have never seen anything like this, and this is just amazing. This is one of the best tip which I have got today, and I think many of you have got today learned. So
see, I will once again.
This is one of the amazing technique which you have shown. Thank you so much, Mr. Husband. So as my husband is doing it, I am sure even your kids, your husband, anybody can do it. As we say, anybody can craft. So this is one of the beautiful technique which you all have learned, and I'm sure you might have not think of it. So now using this technique, you can do it on any of the using any of these sheets. So why we have shown you like this, the reason is, I mean, why we have used this mirror and straight image, because to show you the difference, because if we would have done it in this, you might have not understood. So we have used letters
just to educate more about our product, so it can be used in the both the ways. If you want to place an Pratibimb transfer image as it is, like it is shown in the paper, then you want to do it in the sliding technique. Or if you want, if it is okay for you, if it is coming in the mirror image also, then just cut the paper, fuzzy cut, dip in the water and flip the paper in such a way that image is towards the object where you want to transfer it, and just slide it. So you can do both the ways. And this is carefree paper, and it is rough of use paper. You no need to protect it with any films or something. This is as it is, and it is already coated with the UV protective coat. And anyhow, after we do this coating also, you always do, once it is transferred, you also leave this for drying for some time, and you do the varnish coating, so the image which you have transferred using Pratibeam transfer sheet will stay for long. And this will give really life to your all handmade crafts also. And it is easy. See, if you want to type this or paint this, color this, it was taking hours of time. Now Pratibeam transfer sheet making your life easy. Whatever the elements or things you want, just do the fuzzy cut, dip in the water, and transfer in the
Wow.
transfer it to the object where you prefer it.
So once it is dry, you can use varnish and you can secure your work. And I'm sure you all have loved the video. Please subscribe to our video for more. Please subscribe to our channel for our more such videos and tips and tricks. So
Thank you for watching our video. Hope it is clearing all your minute queries, and you will enjoy crafting. Thank you.